hookers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as the title, you might know that we are doing makeup. For this video, we are going to be doing a makeup inspiration. So for this inspo look, we're gonna be doing this one. Okay, I was like, girl, let me get into that. I did. So we are gonna get into it. My face is all prepped up and everything like that, but we gotta put on primer. I don't have like a little headband thing, so I'm using this one. I don't know what got me into this idea. Why is this primer not working? Guys, we are not off to a great start, y'all. So for this video, I was supposed to do like try different hairstyles with me. That didn't seem good. Like, I felt bored with that title, you know? I felt bored with that like inspo. So I was like, you know what? We're trying to do makeup. Do you think I can do it? I think I can. So first we're going off with foundation, of course. If you checked in my last video makeup haul, you will know about all the makeup products that I have and what I've used and everything. Y'all, have y'all seen XO Kitty? Because I have, and I am stressed. See, that show brings something out of me that I don't know what I'm bringing to the table. Like, what world am I living in? Just ever like realize that? Whenever you're in the shower and then you close your eyes, your imagination like tells you that someone's right there. Or like realize that like that's actually true. Like, it's probably just me. Like, in our past self, someone has done that to us. Like, every single thing that happens in this world, someone is probably doing that to another person. Like, that's freaking insane. That's gotta be happening somewhere, you know? Is that weird? Am I weird for thinking that? Okay, so first we're gonna do our eyes. That's the process. We're going with a little peachy color. Low-key, I'm eating this up. It's like a mix between like dark and bright color. Unless I'm just like dumb and doing the wrong colors. Freaking care. This is just how it's going to look like. So this is how it's looking like so far. I am gonna be putting a little white. That'll look better. Next is eyeliner. Pray for me for this eyeliner. Literally pray. Okay, so look at my eyeliner, guys. Oh! Okay, so moving on to lips, we're literally just gonna like line our lips. She has like some kind of like gloss on, so I guess we're just gonna like put like the Anastasia one on. I don't really know. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like this one on. These stuff are in my latest video. And then for the last one is this one. All right, and the last thing that we were gonna do, loose setting powder. And put them on everything, everywhere. Here's the final product. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Low-key, I ate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it like I did. Let me know if you want any other content like this. See you on the next video. Bye!